The moon is quite special. Earth's large natural satellite, the moon, is over 1/4 the size of Earth in diameter. No other planet and our James Webb Space Telescope is able to see far beyond what previous telescopes have been able to see in absolute detail. It's not been discovered by the best scientists available with the best computers and the best scientific procedures to explain, here we have a large moon that affects everything on Earth. No other planet has a moon this large in proportion to the size of the planet. The moon aids life. Technical statement, the moon aids life on Earth by inducing tides. Tides prevent the oceans from stagnating and they clean shorelines. The moon also provides light at night. It rules the night, Genesis 1:16, being far brighter than any other regular nighttime celestial object. No other planet has such a bright moon in its night sky. The moon has a number of distinctive characteristics. Earth is the only known planet that can experience eclipses where its moon so precisely covers the sun. Did you get that? We're in a very special place, orbited by a very special body. This has made possible the discovery of the solar chromosphere. The chromosphere can only be seen by eye during a total solar eclipse, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the corona. The moon orbits very close to the ecliptic, that's that line that the sun takes, the plane of Earth's orbit around the sun. This makes solar and lunar eclipses more common on Earth than they would be if the moon orbited around the planet's equator as other moons do. Yet, because the moon does not orbit exactly in the ecliptic, it does not have eclipses every month, indicating the spectacular nature of every solar eclipse. I've been waiting 3 solid months to get to this moment to show you how unique this experience is. First of all, it's a young moon. As the moon induces tides on Earth, the moon rotates the planet. Our planet rotates faster than the moon orbits, and the tidal bulges get ahead of the moon, causing it to gain orbital energy and gently move away from the Earth. The effect is small but measurable. The moon moves away from the Earth at about 1.5 inches every year. This recession effect would have been larger in the past because if the moon were closer to the Earth, tides would be larger. It's obvious. If we extrapolate this effect into a hypothetical past, we find that the moon would have been touching Earth 1.4 billion years ago. It would have been touching the Earth. So Earth and the moon cannot be older than that, yet secular scientists claim that Earth and moon system is over 4 billion years old. How do they ignore that? Oh, well, next page, please. The evidence from the recession of the moon is inconsistent with a secular age estimate. But of course, 6,000 years ago, the moon would have been only 730 feet closer to Earth. So lunar recession, the moon trying to get away from us, is no problem for the biblical time scale. And soon God's going to straighten the whole thing out anyway.